All right, last question. Sarah had $15.35 left in her checking account, which charges $25 for each overdraft. She used her debit card to purchase an item for $18.45. What amount is in her checking account after the purchase, including the overdraft fees? All right, so um, this one's really simple. It's just going to be your amount, your balance, starting balance, minus the charge, minus the overdraft. So it's going to be the 1535 minus 1845. And then they're going to charge you $25 to borrow that little bit of money. Okay. So what do we got there? So we got, um, if I was going to do this by hand, if I'm doing it in the calculator, just type that in. No problem. If I'm going to do it by hand, I might do my subtractions first. What is that? 30, 43, 45. And then when I go to subtract, signs are different, so I subtract. But look, if you're using a calculator, which almost everybody has one, just go ahead and do that. It's fine. You can just type that in. This isn't about doing the arithmetic. This is about, do you understand the concepts? So watch this video as many times as you need. If you're in the room or on the Zoom, you can pause and ask me a question if you don't understand before you go on. Take whatever notes will help you, and then try the next question on the test. Uh, the next question here is from the question from the test, and see if you can do a better job than you did before. All right.